Let's see how to set the prefix for the expense template, that is the supplier invoice. So go to setting, and here under expenses, create template. Under this, you can go to taxable purchase. This is your expense template. So you go here, update setting. So all these are your settings. This is already done. It is preset. Here, as you scroll down, you can see something called as the prefix, the suffix, and this is the number. This is the running number of your supplier invoice. So you can say you want it as 1001 or 100 or 1, as you wish. You can just key in the number. So here it is only a number. Prefix can be like INB 2026 or as you wish. Okay. And suffix you can key in as E or purchase or something like that. It is up to you. After you complete this, you just save. Okay. Once you save, when you go back to your bill here, when you add a bill, you'll be able to see the prefix, invoice, and suffix. I have not added anything, so now it is just empty. Once you add, you will be able to see. This setting will be done in the beginning. That is, so since you're starting it fresh, you can just do it at the start. Hope this will help.